Anyway, hello, Hamish here from mortgagesonline.co.nz. I'm here with Sane Sika. We're going to talk about some things to do with refinancing. What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? We're going to tell them the honest truth, aren't we, Sane?
We certainly are, Hamish.
And let's get straight. Let's get stuck into it. Sane actually, incidentally, Sane works with me, right? We work together, don't we, Sane?
Yes, we do.
And you really like working with me. I don't know why, but
I don't know why either, Hamish. But yes, I'm here, and I do enjoy it in Mortgages Online.
Advantages. So, some of the advantages of refinancing to a new bank. We get paid.
Yes, and that of course is number one, Hamish.
That's quite important.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
But I'm going to write down cashbacks, because obviously the banks also pay the clients these days.
That's correct. There's also the interest rates, Hamish, because obviously if you move to another bank, depending on what the current interest rates are and what you had your loans on, that could be an advantage.
Can be, yep. Sometimes banks do match your interest rates, your existing bank, but another advantage?
And obviously sometimes they don't, but yes, you're right, they do match the interest rates. Another advantage is they could restructure. So,
yes.
Yeah.
A restructure, because you're basically starting fresh. We can do all sorts of things straight off the tidy everything up again, consolidate certain bits, pull apart certain bits, but also we can sometimes reset interest only terms.
Correct.
Which is exciting. So you can get another 5 years potentially again, on interest only terms, which can be an advantage in terms of tax. Some disadvantages though, because it can't all be good.
Yes, well, that's true. And that takes us back to the cashback part of it, because if you've recently just moved to a bank or bought a property and you're currently at a bank, depending on how long you've been there, it means that the bank can potentially hold you up for part of that cashback, Hamish.
That's right. I think most banks, 3 to 4 years, if you move or pay off the debt, you might need to pay back some of the past cashbacks.
Yeah, so that's
definitely
definitely
important to check out.
Yeah.
Payback cashback. Any other disadvantages?
There is the disadvantage if you're on a fixed rate, depending on what your fixed rates are and how long you've been fixed.
Oh yeah, break fees.
The break costs. Yeah.
Any other ones? What are the disadvantages?
There's also the whole having to move banks.
Oh yes.
You know, customers
changing account.
Yeah, it's the whole hassle of having to move accounts,
APs,
payments, direct debits, incomes, even all that kind of stuff.
But some banks actually have a really good switching service, right?
That's correct. And this is just an example, ASB has a bank switch team, so they take care of all that behind the scenes. So it means that the
other banks do as well. So we do work with other banks.
Of course, yes.
Yes, and that can really make that part. But look, luckily, obviously, we do a calculation for you to see what the dollar, in terms of dollar terms, what the advantages and disadvantages are, all on one sheet, right?
Correct, which actually gives you a comparison of what, how much you'd be able to save on actually moving banks, because if you're not going to save, then there's no point in moving. So we don't just move you for the sake of moving you, but we do move you for your benefit.
Yeah. And usually your broker or banker, wherever you're moving, should be able to explain what the benefits are. It's fairly straightforward. Anyway, look, thank you for watching. Hopefully that has been insightful for you. And
of course, if you need to get in touch with us, Auckland 6254693, that's Mortgages Online. And we can help you with that if you need our assistance.
Thanks, honey.
You're welcome.